The 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power door locks, cruise control, and a sunroof. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, leather seats, and video system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Kelly Grimsley Auto Group, a Carfax Advantage dealer.